Damn dogs. Yeah, this is the 125. We just finished it. It's on 2 Sunsun HW 3000s and 1 Mesa Joy 600. Between the two, we're at, I think that one's 800, that one's 800, so that's 1600, and that one's 600. So we're at 2200 gallons an hour. Cycling this tank 20 times an hour. Keeps the water crystal fucking clear. There's debris floating around over here because I want it to be. You don't want dead spots. You want debris settling. So if your water goes through these outputs all the way across the top, hits the back wall, comes back down, floats it up here, and then it gets sucked into the intake. Like my wiener. That's how you know the water's clear, when you can see straight through the fucking tank to the other side. 24 fish in there. Then there's that, this is my water changing hose. It's just hangs right there. And then this is my little table. All of our tanks, water change percent values and percentage as far as gallons for tank capacity. The amount of conditioner and beneficial bacteria in milliliters. Anyways, ball python's in here somewhere. Sitting in a ball, what do you know? Oh yeah, so the water changing system goes through here. Plumbed it up like this, bing bop. Garden hose through the window. This goes into our washer drain. 20-gallon beta sorority tank. There's betas, Cory cats, 3 different types of tetras, shrimp. Which one of the shrimp is pregnant, by the way? So it's betas, Cory cats, ghost shrimp, Neocardiana shrimp, neon tetras, which are down there. And then we got some glowfish tetras. And we also have rummy nose. Where are they at? There's only 2 of those right now. Who the fuck are they? Pieces of shits? Oh well. Oh, there they are. Rummy nose. A triple male beta tank. We got our betas from a bad source. All 3 of them fucking died. Unfortunate. This guy I got, and he hasn't died yet. Then here's our 20-gallon long goldfish fry. As you can see, this is all these tanks. This tank, that tank, this tank, which is where they were living, but there's a beta's going in here after this is cleaned. And this tank too. All these are ran off of one port on the air pump. This air pump, you can literally just turn a valve and crank the water up, as you can see right here. So there's that tank. Oh, wrong tank. But here. And that's just by turning this valve. Getting it right where I want it. There was fry in here. Look how it stirred up the bottom. There's fry in here, which are really gentle swimmers, so you don't want to freaking make it too turbulent. Bearded dragon. And there we go. Soon there will be another reptile under here. And there will also be a 40-gallon tank under here. This stand is 6 feet long. The bracing is obviously in the middle, which means it's a 3-foot center line. The 20-gallon longs are 30 inches, and the 40 gallons are 36 inches, so I can put one right here and it'll look like it's made for it. There will be another moist environment requiring animal under here, and there will be 2 more tanks on this rack. Yeah, so here's the broom. And then that's her electrical control center for this tank. I don't like how I need to refasten that, but it doesn't matter. This extension cord runs all the way outside on a circuit breaker. The only thing not on the circuit breaker is, I think, the heater. Yeah, the heater and the lights. No, the heater. What the fuck else is on it? Oh, the heater and this canister filter. Now this switch is powering the lights, and it's also powering the light in this closet. There you go. So, as you can see, you flip the switch, kills all the lights. And then both of these canister filters are on this GFCI, which is what this strip is plugged into as well. So if anything bad ever happens, that GFCI will kill everything except for the heater and one of the canister filters on my penis.